Okay, this is going to be a test, a quick test of my first 4051. This is the one that I have completely rewired. New diode, new varistor. It actually works without the big old capacitor that it came with, but it's completely rewired. Works good. Well, it works better than it did before. It's pretty loud, but I think it's still drawing a little too many amps for the circuit. But it works fine for now, I guess. So I'll be testing it with the various codes. I'll just do march time and code 3 and stuff. So it'll be pretty quick. But here we go. That thing's so freaking loud. But, okay. Next up is code 3, and I'll be doing the manual evacuation. Okay, that's about sums it up. Thanks for watching.